Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shoplista. Today I am going to be showing different recipes that involve zucchini. Zucchini or green squash is rich in multiple antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. Despite packing a punch with several important nutrients, zucchini is low in calories, fat, and sugar. According to WebMD.com, zucchini benefits in weight loss, improve heart health, improves eye health, helps control diabetes, helps lower cholesterol, helps cure asthma, protects against colon cancer, enhances digestion, lowers blood pressure, slows down aging, strengthens bones and teeth, helps during pregnancy, good for babies and kids, promotes prostate health, aids collagen formation, and so much more, according to stylecraze.com. Let's see all the recipes I've made together. This first recipe is great for brunch, lunch, or dinner and can be served alone or with quinoa. To a saucepan, I added boneless chicken thighs, all my favorite seasonings, white onions, red and yellow peppers, garlic, adobo instead of salt, black pepper, vegetable broth, chopped cilantro, dried oregano, thyme, chicken flavoring, and lastly green squash. Since my family isn't on the same weight loss journey as I am, they will eat it with rice. This recipe is high in fiber and protein, which are great for your weight loss journey. The next recipe is perfect for fast weight loss or to maintain your desired weight. This recipe has zucchini pasta, which is gluten-free and grain-free, shrimp, cherry tomatoes, white onions, the stem from beets, garlic, green peppers, cilantro, chicken flavoring, adobo, instead of salt, black pepper, but you can use any seasonings you prefer. This last one is very simple and easy if you don't like cooking or don't have the time, but you want to eat healthier. This recipe includes brown rice, Alfredo pasta with sausage for protein, and zucchini on the side. This recipe is great for lunch or dinner and you can mix and match it however you want. You can switch the sausage for shrimp, switch the brown rice for quinoa, remove the rice from the dish, remove the pasta from the dish, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching this video. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for all the love and support that I've received the past month. You all are truly amazing. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.